Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video to discuss and to speak on the cue card and topics which I've frequently used in the videos to improve myself in English language. So as you also want to improve yourself, so you can watch this video. I'll be discussing about one important thing and a belief basically which is very helpful for someone who want to improve themselves. So I was also a beginner and I don't have anything in my life, so I was very disappointment from myself, and there is no purpose of my life basically. This is a thing happened in my life, and past couple of years I was struggling to maintain my studies and all these things. So then after watching a lot of YouTube videos and lot of creators who are like extraordinary, they are very talented, as after checking their life history, because they are like doing multiple things, and nowadays people are just keeping work basically. Let's just lazy people nowadays, lot of, but there are other person who are like 1% in every field who are having a lot of huge success, and I don't know basically how they get. Basically, I'm curious about that. So I'm just searching a lot of things where I found out that there is one thing common which I found out in multiple peoples who are started from the scratch and achieve so much they cannot able to believe in their early life. So yeah, basically they have find out their why, basically why they are living in this life. So they found out their purpose and passion and self belief, basically these three things which is most important for everyone who want to basically thrill in life, just not suffer like a lot of people are doing nowadays. So after got to know about this book, basically that is also a separate book which after reading that you will find out like how influencer people influence their audience, and how they are able to basically help people to take action, basically because nowadays a lot of people think, overthink, and just very hesitated to take action, but they help you to take action. Basically they are influencer. So I got one story from this book, basically wherein there are two peoples who have a strong dream, and they want to like basically have a purpose and self belief. Because of that they are able to basically build what we call nowadays is aeroplane. They have built that. So because of having a huge plan and huge motivation towards that, because in like the book basically they told like their name is Wright brothers who have discovered this aeroplane thing. Before that there is trains are running all over the globe, right? And so they found out one interesting thing which is aeroplane. Because of their they have started from the scratch, they have nothing basically, if I told you. And they are also just have a dedication toward achieving their goal, right? They have all the and other part, there is some peoples who are having a huge money, but they are cannot able to basically find out their dream, basically so they are working, but they have not have that much of motivation. So these motivations come from inner side of your part, not from outside. So you need to decide first why you want to do something and why this matter you the most, because you have a priorities and you need to set these priorities. Then after you will able to consistently focus on, because this happen to me previously, and I'm not able to consistent in my life. And so after finding out my purpose and my self-esteem and belief, I'm able to express myself in the videos, because this is very difficult, because yeah, it takes guts, or you can say there is something required. So for that you need to have a strong plan initially, because then after you are able to take action. So I hope this is for the practice, and this is for the life as well, if you find something in this video, because there are certain things which is required, and nowadays there are a lot of people who are selling courses, and in that they are basically giving this much of knowledge in their courses, I believe so. So you need to get it if you are getting something in free of cost. So bye bye, have a good day.